What's the benefit of enrolling in an essential oil course? Well, in this video, I am going to share with you the top 5 reasons why you should, especially if you love essential oils and aromatherapy and you enjoy using them. Or even if you're new to essential oils and you just want to understand why and how they work. If we haven't met already, I'm Amy Galper, and I've been a certified aromatherapist for over 20 years. And I also help clean beauty brands start and scale their businesses. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified every time that I post a new video about essential oils, aromatherapy, and clean beauty. So what are the real benefits of enrolling in an essential oil course? I mean, you could probably just skim by watching a few YouTube videos like mine or reading a few books like mine, and you could feel like you have a good foundation, right? I mean, you could. But if you do that, you'll only be skimming the surface on how best to use essential oils and aromatherapy so that they can really make an impact on your health and your well-being. Here are the top 5 reasons why you should probably enroll in an essential oil course or an aromatherapy program if you're looking to use essential oils. Number 1, understanding the history of aromatherapy and essential oils. I mean, it's easy to walk into Target or Walmart and see those little bottles on the shelf and not connect to the centuries and centuries of use that people have had using actual aromatic medicine. Did you know that the ancient Egyptians and the Greeks and the Romans were all using aromatic medicine to improve their health and their well-being? And now, as we're using essential oils in the 21st century, it's really important for us to understand that lineage, that history of how they were used back then and how we're using it now in modern times. And that is something that's really important that people learn in an essential oil course. Number 2, the second reason why you should enroll in an essential oil course or an aromatherapy program is to really be able to understand what essential oil is pure and what essential oil is not pure, right? This whole question of quality is a big topic. I mean, you just need to Google on Amazon and find all of these essential oils, and you'll probably wonder, well, is this one real? Is that one authentic? Is this one actually what it says it is? Is this one isn't? And in order to be able to kind of sift through all of that information, it's important to get the skills and the understanding to be able to discern what a good quality essential oil is from a poor quality. And skills like understanding where the plant comes from, what the botanical name is, how it is processed, how it is actually extracted. All of those things contribute to understanding the quality of essential oils. Not to mention also the purity tests like GCMS reports that also help identify whether or not the essential oil is pure, authentic, and genuine. And this is something that you would learn in an essential oil class or an aromatherapy program. Number 3, safety. How to use essential oil safety. This is also a really big topic. I mean, since people are buying essential oils at Walmart or at Target and all these big top stores, it's really important that we understand how to use them correctly. Because as I said before, essential oils are actually a part of herbal medicine. They've been part of medicinal practices for centuries. In fact, before modern medicine kind of took hold of everything about 150, 200 years ago, people were all using plants and herbal remedies to heal themselves, to make them feel better. And much of that herbal medicine practice was based on essential oils and aromatherapy. And they knew which oils to use for which conditions. Now, I actually have a video about what essential oils you should diffuse and what you shouldn't. You could see it right there. And it's really important that we use them with that mindfulness, especially if we have children or elderly in our lives, or people who are very compromised or are very, very sensitive. Understanding how to use essential oils safely is super important. And you definitely want to make sure that you get that information from a trained professional. Number 4, the science of essential oils. This is so important for anyone using essential oils. I mean, don't you want to understand why essential oils work? For example, like, why does lavender make you sleepy, or peppermint help get rid of your headache or muscle aches and pains, or why eucalyptus is so great at helping you breathe, especially when you have a cold or feeling congested. Well, by understanding science of essential oils, you're going to understand what essential oils are actually made of, what are the aromatic molecules, the chemical constituents that make up these amazing compounds, and how those different molecules affect our physiology. Actually, how do they interact with our bodies? How are they able to relieve inflammation, make us sleepy, make us focus, etc.? So getting that kind of real detailed information is going to really help you use essential oils not only more safely, but more effectively. Plus, it will show you kind of the skills and tactics of how to do research on your own when you're looking up how to use an essential oil and why it works. Number 5, and this is probably my most favorite one. This is about blending essential oils together. Now, essential oils on their own are really, really amazing, right? They're super powerful, super strong, and they really, really work. But if you want to amplify that effectiveness, the power of their healing properties, it's really recommended to blend them together. So how do you even know what essential oils to pair together and what not to pair together? And how do you even understand how to blend them and how to dilute them and what to put in them? So an essential oil course, an aromatherapy program, is going to give you recipes and present different methodologies to show you different ways that you can blend essential oils together effectively for all different kinds of conditions and situations. So how do you find an aromatherapy or essential oil class? Well, you want to make sure that whoever you study with has a curriculum that follows the educational standards of the professional aromatherapy associations, okay? Most alternative healing practices all follow guidelines, so you can feel confident and assured that you are actually getting trusted information from people who are qualified. So you probably want to avoid trainings that are offered by people who are just salespeople selling oils, unless they can provide the proof that they have the right credentials. So would you take a nutrition class, for example, from someone who is selling you protein powder or protein shake? Probably not. I'll leave some links below, and I'll also share my own courses and programs along with links to my books below. Okay? So if you found this valuable, please go ahead, subscribe, like, ring the bell, and comment, because I'm determined to help you learn about essential oils the right way. Okay, see you next time.